Do you have a great idea for a product or service but don't know where to start? Maybe you want to achieve your business goals faster, more effectively. Perhaps you're with a great company and looking to add more value through your position. Or maybe you're ready to be your own boss. With Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and our Smart Steps to Business program, you can be on your way to fulfilling your business goals. Take advantage of this fees-free program and learn the fundamentals of developing a business, from plans and strategies to feasibility studies and financial analysis. Designed for busy lifestyles, this program is broken into 4 learning modules and delivered through a mixture of in-class teaching, workshops, and through a shared and collaborative learning environment through our half-day wānanga. If you can commit to 20 weeks, you could be jump-starting your journey to business success. You'll need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we want you to succeed, which is why we offer a range of free services to our students, including student support, program support, online tools and access to world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come and see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e hoa ma.